Okay, now let's learn the average if, and the average if with the S. All right, to find the average list price, just remember with the function average, we go to formulas and we can use either one of these, but we can use the auto sum down and choose average. And when we do that, it thinks we go across like this. But in this example, we want to do the list prices. And once we highlight the list prices, we press enter, and then that gives us the average list price is 232,792. All right, in cell H13, we're trying to find the average days on the market for properties listed over $200,000. All right, so with this one, we're going to use the if. So we're trying to find the average days on the market, but the property has to be over $200,000. So we have one criteria here. All right, so we're going to go up to insert a function. We're going to type in average if we do not see it down here. So I'm just going to type it in, average if, and so I'm going to press go to make sure. And then I'm going to select it. All right, so remember here, we want our range to be the average days on the market for the properties listed over $200,000. So for the range here, we're looking for first is we're looking for the list prices. So we're going to highlight the list prices, and then we're going to press our tab key, and our criteria is greater than or equal to 200,000. 1, 2, 2, 3, and then we're going to hit tab again. Alright, but in our average range box, we want to make sure that we have our days on the market. And then we're going to press OK. And you can see here that it automatically gives us our value too. So 63.33 days. The house is over $200,000 stay on the market. All right, last one. We're going to click on this one. This one says average days on the market for properties listed less than 200,000 and price reduced by 5% or less. All right, so let's go to insert a function. And we are going to choose the average IFS. Like I said, if it's not down here, type it in up here and hit go. All right, so here, our first criteria we're looking for is B, whoops, okay, B5 in our B column. So, all right. Oh, I'm sorry. Our average range that we want to look for is our F column, because we want to know the average days on the market. Now our criteria range is our first one, which is properties listed for less than 200. So we want to highlight those in column B, and then we are going to press the tab key, and our criteria is less than 200. Now we're going to press the tab key again. And then now for our criteria range for the next one is in E. Press the tab key. And then our criteria here is less than reduced by 5% or less, so that would be less than or equal to 5 and our percent sign. Okay, and then I'm going to press OK. So their days on the market would be 60, meaning that our properties are less than 200,000 and are reduced by 5. Okay, that we are finished now with the average GF2.